Hello everyone, my name is Gordon and I operate a small engine repair place. As you can see, it's kind of junked up. Um, I'm one of the local neighborhood people that repair small engines. And today I'm going to show you about a common problem that I get with this one particular type of mower. And I'm going to try to show you how to fix it yourself. Today I decided to work outside. You see I got my help with me. He's down there laying on the ground playing with a pine cone, and there he goes. Life is so simple for them. Anyway, this particular lawnmower, it doesn't have to necessarily be this particular mower, but I see a lot of them that they have this particular carburetor on them. Okay, and it's a plastic carburetor, and they always seem to have starting issues with them. Now the carburetor that's on this mower, it's very similar to this one right here. It's a plastic carburetor. It's not brand new, but it's one of the newer type ones they're making. They're made completely out of plastic, and I don't particularly care for that. This carburetor has a hexagonal shape to it, and basically all you need is just an Allen wrench that will fit it. You're just going to simply put the wrench in there, and you're going to turn it. It doesn't unscrew like a regular screw. It doesn't screw all the way out. It only unscrews just a little bit, and then you pull it out. So you're going to turn it until you feel it come out. You can actually see that it came out a little bit there, and it's got a seal, rubber seal around it, and you don't want to lose that. You don't want to damage it, but that's all there is to it. Now, if for some reason you can't get it all clean by simply draining this out, now if you can't get it cleaned out by simply draining it out this hole, then you're going to have to take out these screws. Here's one and here's the other, okay? And you're going to simply flip it on its side. You're going to stick like a little screwdriver or something here, pop it open, and this whole bottom comes off. And then you're just going to clean it out. Then you're going to put it back together. And let's see here, there, you can see the screw. It doesn't have threads like a regular screw. It just has that little notch that goes up in there and then twists a little bit. So that's all it is. Very simple. You just put it in there, turn it until you feel the notch, just like that. And then you're going to take your Allen wrench, and then you're just going to turn it again until it locks in place. Now don't twist it hard. You're just going to twist it until it locks in place. Now I've removed the screw from the bottom of the carburetor, and you can see it right here. There's a little seal on the side, and it doesn't like screw all the way in, as you can see. It only like twists part of the way, and then you just pull it straight down. And then to put it back in, you just push it back up and then turn it. Right now, as you can see, I'm letting all the gas drain out of it, because when I first pulled the screw out, it had water in it, and I looked into the gas tank. I didn't see any water residue. However, there was water in the carburetor itself. Okay, then after all the gas is drained out, you want to put the screw back in. And just want to make sure that it's not leaking. That none of the gas is coming out of the carburetor. Okay, now as you can see, it's not leaking. We'll clean up all the gas. Okay, now after we've done all that, we're going to give it a test, see if it starts. I have to set this down, so I can't do both at the same time. And there you go. I'm not sure what it is, but ever since they started making this particular type of carburetor with everything being plastic in it, seems to be prone to a lot of moisture or something. It's always developing some type of condensation or something in the bottom of the carburetor. But anyway, it's a simple fix. Just unscrew the nut out of the bottom of the carburetor, and basically you're just cleaning all the stuff out of the bottom. Put the screw back in and see if it starts. Now, if it happens to like try to run a little bit and it shuts back off, it means there's stuff still in there. So just repeat the process, do it again. Anyway, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe, and have a good day.